This is my new Xtension Arcade Cabinet from RecRoomMasters.com. I just received 3 packages from UPS yesterday. They each weigh about 40 to 50 pounds. Everything seems pretty well packed. So, put everything together and see how it turns out. So here we have the completed product. It took me about a couple hours to complete. It feels nice and sturdy, mostly 3/4 inch particle board. There are speaker ports on the top and also on the sides. I've got my 22-inch monitor mounted on the Visa mount. The plexiglass feels a little bit on the flimsy side, but it does come off easily in case you need to mess around in the back. I've got my X-Arcade Dual Joystick and it fits nicely into the slot. There's a slide out keyboard tray which I'm not using at the moment. And on the bottom is the cabinet area. I'm using a laptop, but I'll probably switch to a PC later. There's plenty of room in there. And that's pretty much it. This is my Xtension Arcade Cabinet.